Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. April and I are back with another video in partnership with Le Mini Macaron. Today we're unboxing and testing their Maxi Deluxe one-step gel manicure set, which has everything you need for super easy and convenient DIY gel nails, from application to removal, including a full-sized LED lamp in gorgeous brushed metallic rose quartz. Be sure to stay tuned until the end because we're going to be giving away 10 of these gorgeous kits to you guys. So a few weeks ago, we did a video featuring Le Mini Macaron's mini LED lamp, which you guys absolutely loved. It's just so adorable and cute. However, a lot of you mentioned that you would prefer a larger lamp, which is why we're showing you their full-sized option today. So when you first get your Maxi set, it will come in this big, beautiful heart-shaped box. Open it up, and the first thing you'll see is your full-sized LED nail lamp. Honestly, this is one of the most gorgeous nail lamps I've ever seen, and I'm a huge fan of the rose quartz color and finish. I love how this indie brand always focuses on design and packaging so well. So moving on, there's a USB cord for powering the lamp, and then you have your two mini one-step gel polishes. The first one is their best-selling shade, Honey Ginger, which is a beautiful sheer light peachy pink. And the second color included in this kit is Black Cherry, which is a deep and rich Rouge Noir, which is exclusive to this set. Also included is a beautiful pink satin drawstring carrying bag, and inside of it you'll find your instruction manual, a full-size glittery nail file, 20 remover wraps, and a full-size cuticle stick. Now to test it out. First, we're going to plug the lamp into a USB power bank. You could also plug it into a laptop. Flip the switch on the bottom to turn it on, and it's ready to use. We're going to do a manicure today, but we thought we'd show you that the bottom comes off too in case you'd like to do a pedicure. So, to begin, file your nails to your desired length and shape, and then buff the surface of your nail so that the gel adheres properly. Wipe the nail down with rubbing alcohol to remove any dust and debris. Next, we did a thin layer of Black Cherry. This gel is great for beginners because it has the base, color, and top coat all built into it. Cure that first thin layer under the lamp for the 60-second cycle. The light will go off when the cycle has finished. Then apply a second layer and cure again. Because this is a no-wipe gel, it's not sticky after curing, so your nails are all done. We also thought that we'd show you guys how the Honey Ginger shade looks as well. And if you saw our last video, you'll know that the removal is pretty simple as well. All you have to do is file to break the seal over your nail, open your remover packet, place your nail into it with the little cotton pad over your nail, peel off the clear plastic to reveal the sticker on the packet, fold the left and right sides tightly around your finger so no air can get in, and then wait 15 minutes. Once that 15 minutes is up, the gel will be detached and ready to push off with the cuticle stick. They have over 60 more shades available on their website that last 7 to 10 days. They're all vegan, cruelty-free, and 7-free. We also have a special 10% discount code for you guys that applies to their Maxi set. We'll have a direct link to this set for you guys in the description box below. And now, on to the part you've all been waiting for, the giveaway. We believe that it's so important to give back, so we teamed up with Le Mini Macaron to give away 10 of their deluxe Maxi sets on their Instagram. Entering is super quick and simple. All you have to do is go to their Instagram account, like the giveaway photo, and then leave a comment on why you'd like to win one, plus tag a friend. The giveaway is open from now until Sunday, December 15th. Then the 10 lucky winners will be announced on their Instagram on Monday. So good luck to you all, and don't forget to click the link in the description box to go to Le Mini Macaron's Instagram and enter to win. You can watch more videos here on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes, subscribe to Cute Polish for a new nail video every week, and don't forget to check out April's personal nail channel as well. Take care, and we'll see you next time!